5. This week we're going to be recapping on pronouns. It's something that you will know about, but you may not know about the fact that it's actually called pronouns. So, what are pronouns? So pronouns are when a name is replaced to avoid repetition. So for example, if you had the sentence, Gary ate supper when Gary got home, the repetition of Gary seems a bit over the top. We don't need it that much. So you would replace one of the nouns, Gary, with a pronoun. So for example, you would change it from Gary ate supper when Gary got home to Gary ate supper when he got home, with he being the pronoun because it's replaced Gary. So let's work through some examples of spotting the pronouns. We're going to read through these sentences and we're going to spot the pronouns together. So spot the pronoun which take the place of the noun. There could be more than one. So your first sentence is, Ash loves to play tennis. She is really good at it. Your next sentence is, Peter went for a walk and he stopped when he arrived at the cafe. The flute is his, not ours, replied Thomas. We taught ourselves how to play cards over the summer holiday. Now what I want you to do is to pause the video, to have a look at those sentences and mark the pronouns in each sentence. Remember, there may be some sentences that have more than one pronouns in them. Welcome back. So focusing on that first sentence, Ash loves to play tennis. She is really good at it. The pronoun there was she because it replaced Ash. The sentence otherwise would have said, Ash loves to play tennis. Ash is really good at it. So Ash was replaced by she. And the second sentence, Peter went for a walk and he stopped when he arrived at the cafe. The two he's in that sentence are to the two pronouns in that sentence. The flute is his, not ours, replied Thomas. There are two pronouns in this sentence. The first one is actually a possessive pronoun, which we'll touch on later on, which is his. And the other one is also a possessive pronoun, which is ours. But don't worry, we'll touch on this later on. We taught ourselves how to play cards over the summer holiday. There are again two pronouns in this. We and ourselves are the two pronouns in that sentence. Now, I said we'd come back to possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are pronouns have been used to show that something belongs to them. So, for example, our or ours, his, her, their, something that's showing that something's belonging to them. So I want you to have a look at these examples of words and decide which are possessive pronouns. Not just pronouns, but they need to show that something's belonging to them. So pause the video and we'll re-go over them in a moment. Welcome back. So your words were hers, anxiously, Hassan, singing, stage, Ash, it, they, yours, them, classroom and mine. So firstly, anxiously is an adverb, so it can't be a possessive pronoun. Hassan, stage, Ash and classroom are all nouns, so they can't be possessive pronouns either. And singing is a verb, so that can't be a possessive pronoun either. That leaves us with hers, it, they, yours, them and mine. These are all pronouns. But the difference between possessive pronouns and normal pronouns is that possessive pronouns would be used to show that something belonged to them. So the possessive pronouns here were hers, because it could be something that belongs to her, so hers. Yours, because something belonging to that person, so yours. And mine are the three possessive pronouns there. So hopefully this recap on pronouns should help prompt your memory from when we did it in school. And that's what your focus is going to be on this week. Good luck!